Imagine waking up, opening your banking app, and seeing an extra $1,000 deposited into your account every single month. When people try to hit that target, they usually assume they need to invent a viral business or amass hundreds of thousands of social media followers. Take a full-time nurse working long, demanding shifts. If she tries to launch a massive, time-consuming business from scratch on her rare days off, the result is almost always severe exhaustion. Relying on a single brand new venture to generate a full $1,000 right out of the gate is a high-risk, low-probability bet. The alternative is a strategy called income stacking. Instead of swinging for one massive financial home run, you accumulate multiple small, highly predictable base hits. For busy professionals, building financial momentum requires moving away from one monolithic project and building a diversified system of smaller, additive streams. The foundation of this system begins with active freelance income. Our nurse generates a baseline $500 monthly by leveraging existing skills for 10 hours a week at $25 per hour. Trading time for dollars hits a hard ceiling when extra hours run out. Scalable digital products form the second layer, decoupling earnings from active hours. Once you spend the initial time creating tools like niche nursing shift planners or specialized budget spreadsheets, they can sell indefinitely, generating a steady $250 a month in the background. By combining one active service with one scalable asset, a professional reaches 75% of their goal, dedicating only 10 hours weekly. Finishing the stack requires slow-burn, long-term strategies, specifically investing and content creation. Mechanisms like broad market index funds, dividend-paying stocks, or audience-driven affiliate marketing slowly build a recurring yield over time. These are not fast cash solutions. They are foundational wealth-building tools that demand consistent patience over years rather than weeks. As the diagram shows, consistent content creation or affiliate marketing adds another $150 per month to the structure. Earning $100 a month through high-yield savings accounts and cashback rewards brings the stack perfectly up to our $1,000 target. Constructing 4 modest, fractional income streams is mathematically far more realistic than trying to build a single $1,000 enterprise from scratch. As you build these streams, you will encounter heavy marketing from the side hustle industry. Avoid expensive online courses promising to bypass the slow stacking process. Maintaining your primary full-time job while building this stack is critical to ensuring your baseline financial stability. Managing multiple income sources requires strict operational discipline. You must meticulously track your expenses and reserve a set percentage of your side income to cover tax liabilities. Once stabilized, that extra $1,000 translates into accelerated debt payoff and fully funded retirement accounts. Income stacking builds a resilient, diversified financial ecosystem that protects you against sudden economic shocks. Wealth is built by the money you keep, not just the money you earn. Subscribe and watch how I saved $25,000 in 1 year. Exact budget breakdown to master the retention side of this strategy.